Read or listen to all of the headlines in one place. Excerpts from the DroneLife drone news of the week ending April 21, 2023. Click on the titles below for the full story. Drone delivery in New Zealand. SkyDrop gets CAA approval. SkyDrop, formerly Flirtey, has been granted Part 102 approval from New Zealand's Civil Aviation Authority, CAA, to launch its first drone hub in Huntly, New Zealand. This positions SkyDrop as the first company in New Zealand to obtain approval for live store-to-door drone delivery, which also covers certain beyond visual line-of-sight operations. Florida Drone Supply's 3-month review of Teledyne FLIR's Cirrus, the pros, the cons, and the upshot. The Cirrus has hit the market as public safety and government organizations face increasing pressure to lessen their reliance on Chinese platforms, demonstrated by the recent ban in Florida. While the drone was designed specifically to meet the needs of FLIR's widespread customer base of drone operators, what do pilots think of Cirrus after 100 days of heavy use? Pilots at Florida Drone Supply, a leading reseller of aircraft from a wide variety of manufacturers, provide their insights on the platform, the pros, the cons, and the upshot of purchasing a Cirrus. Amprius to provide next-generation drone batteries to AeroVironment, unparalleled runtime. Amprius has an answer to one of the most persistent problems in drone technology: flight endurance and battery life. Amprius manufactures next-generation lightweight lithium-ion batteries with its silicon anode platform. The company's proprietary anode technology enables the production of battery cells with energy density levels approaching twice the performance of current commercially available graphite cells. The company has had a big win, providing a commercial-level shipment of Amprius drone batteries to AeroVironment, Nasdaq, Aviation, for the Switchblade 300 Block 20 loitering missile system. Also called the suicide drone, the Switchblade 300 could prove the case for putting Amprius batteries in more commercial drone platforms. EASA's U-Space, what it means for European drone operations, DroneLife exclusive. The future of air mobility will include large numbers of unmanned aircraft flying in complex environments. Initially, unmanned operations started in rural areas to mitigate risk, but integration of these aircraft into congested airspace is needed to realize key social and environmental benefits. Integration of unmanned aircraft into urban settings also requires sophisticated air traffic management. After all, an unmanned aircraft does not have a pilot on board to communicate with an air traffic controller about its flight plan and airspace risks. Speedbird Aero, UTM developer Highlander partner to increase safety and efficiency of global drone delivery. Brazilian drone delivery company Speedbird Aero and Israeli Uncrewed Traffic Management, UTM, developer Highlander have signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, that will increase the safety and efficiency of drone-based deliveries while enabling future partnerships and collaborations worldwide. Both companies offer field-tested drones and airspace management solutions that see active use at scale. With the use of Highlander's Universal UTM, Speedbird Aero will guarantee the safety and efficiency of its flight operations, while proving to regulators that total oversight of uncrewed aerial activity is attainable. Matrix Space Radar, cell phone-sized, high-performance AI sensor. Today, radar and AI sensing leader Matrix Space announced Matrix Space Radar, the first in a series of AI sensing products designed to provide cost-effective, long-distance sensing, tracking, monitoring and inspection solutions. Matrix Space Radar is the size of a cell phone and weighs under a pound, making it the most portable high-performance radar available. The solution is able to measure the size, location, and movement of objects in time, in the air or on the ground, and in all manner of weather conditions. Sony announces AirPeak upgrades, including RTK kit. Sony Electronics Incorporated has announced new upgrades designed to improve the precision, performance, and reliability of the AirPeak S1 drone. These upgrades include an RTK kit, an advanced gimbal, and an improved battery, all of which will contribute to the enhanced capabilities of the S1. The Real-Time Kinematic (RTK) kit enables the AirPeak S1 to achieve highly precise positioning and navigation without lag, resulting in a stable flight path and the collection of precise data. The kit utilizes a base station that receives satellite signals from the Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS, as well as an airpeak-mounted receiver using those signals to deduce its position. Uber for Drones company Aerologix launches in New Zealand and holds drone footage competition. In its first step towards international operations, Australian drone technology startup Aerologix has launched its platform in New Zealand. Starting today, pilots will be able to register on the Aerologix web or mobile app, enabling them to work on various aerial capture projects. Founded by former Qantas pilot Tom Kaska and IT expert Rakesh Ruthu in 2019 after they met while studying their MBAs, Aerologix has grown rapidly in only a few years from only a few hundred pilots on its platform to over 10,000, along with partners such as Cleanup Australia. Eli Stare launches tethered power module for DJI M30. Eli Stare has revealed a new tethered power module for the DJI M30 drone. Designed to serve the needs of first responders requiring an uninterrupted aerial view with little logistical impact, the module gives operators access to the M30's capabilities for longer missions such as event protection, firefighting, border surveillance, and response support. Compatible with the Lighty and Safety ground power stations, it enables hours of uninterrupted flight at up to 70 meters in height. The onboard module enabling the tether power supply weighs 500 g and is easily attached to the back of the drone, and resists temperatures between -20 degrees Celsius and +50 degrees Celsius. Its continuous power of 1000 watts allows for hours of flight at 70 meters. The module also lets operators switch quickly between free flight mode and captive flight mode. Teledyne FLIR launches development kits for fast integration of the Hadron 640R, thermal and visible dual camera module. Today, Teledyne FLIR released development kits for easy integration of its FLIR Hadron 640R thermal and visible dual camera module. The kits include hardware and reference software drivers, which are compatible with development boards that support the NVIDIA Jetson Nano, the Qualcomm RB5, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. The Hadron 640 RS Compact 640 by 512 resolution radiometric boson thermal camera module grants visibility within total darkness, smoke, and most fog. The module also features a 64 MP visible electro-optical (EO) camera for high-definition visible imagery. Should Coachella be using drones and digital twins for security? The new standard in event management. Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival began on April 14, when over 250,000 people descend on the desert of Indio, California. Event organizers for festivals of this scale need to make strong considerations when it comes to security preparations. Crowd control issues that could have been prevented have led to tragedies at festivals in the past. Less than 2 years ago, 10 young fans were killed in the crowd at Astroworld Festival in Houston, Texas, with hundreds more injured. Astroworld had only a fraction of fans in attendance, compared to Coachella.